Why you have chosen
Uh,
your career as a law?
okay, so couple of years back when I started my preparation, when I decided I wanted to pursue law, this art of justice, and I call it an art because I think it kind of synchronizes with my vision of justice and my personality traits. And also, in the last couple of years, we have seen some historical judgments, right? Like triple talaq and LGBTQ rights, or the hanging of the convicts of Nirbhaya case. So these kind of judgments have kind of they've inspired me to be a part of this justice delivery system.
स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ. Hi guys, welcome to TV Topper video. Today we have Tanushriya, who she scored 121 marks out of 150 in MH Law CD 5 years 2020 exam. She's from Chhattisgarh, Raipur, and she's the OMS student, outside Maharashtra student. Then also she managed to score good marks. Along with the CET exam, she appeared the other law entrance as well, like CLAT, ALET, and the other exams. So we'll understand her preparation strategy and what are the preparation obstacles she came across. And yeah, so let's talk to Tanushriya, and understand detailed information. Hi, Tanu.
Hi.
So can you brief me about your academic first of all? Then later on we go for question by question.
Okay, so academically, I scored 87 percentage in class 12th and 83.6 percentage in class 10th. So basically, I've always been a very average student.
Okay, okay, average
Yeah,
student. Always
yeah.
average student do better. So you
Yeah,
are commerce background student, right?
yeah, commerce plus IP, right.
Okay. So when you have studied your law entrance preparation?
I started, I think, 1.5 year ago. I
Okay.
started. Yeah, before my boards, 2, 3 months before my boards, I
Two,
started
3 months
preparing.
before. Okay, okay.
Yeah, so actually, after 12th, when I appeared for a common law admission test, I was getting Hidayatullah National Law University because of my domicile category.
Okay,
And yeah, but because of my own reasons, I didn't go there. And I
okay,
thought, ki, okay, fine, I can prepare again.
okay.
So I took a year drop and I appeared for all the three examinations of CLAT, ALET, and MHCT again.
When you started exactly your preparation for MH Law CT? Only for the MH Law CT.
Only for MH Law CT. I was actually preparing side by side. Okay, but I think after the paper, matlab, I think in the last 3, 4 months, I prepared for MHCT.
मतलब
Matlab,
अराउंड जून के आसपास या मई जून.
yeah, yeah. And that too, matlab, I started focusing more on the puzzles and more
Right.
important areas of static GK and all.
Okay, okay. We talk
Yeah,
in depth about puzzle later on.
yeah.
Because this year it was a bit different. Okay, so what was your daily routine in terms of the preparation when it's come to the section to section, like English, logic, GK, legal, and the other area? Legal, after
Okay,
then there's a maths. Yeah.
yeah. So I was doing current affairs regularly. Okay, like I was reading newspaper, and with that, I had one more source. So I was doing that regularly. Then
Mhm.
I think 2 days. I think for 3 days in a week, I was doing mathematics, and I was solving puzzles regularly of logical reasoning.
Okay,
And even for English, I was doing it regularly because I had to revise the vocabulary and everything. So
okay,
even
okay.
English and legal, so yeah, legal, I
To-
think weekends pay I did legal because I
Okay.
did that last year too. So
So reading, obviously, if you are reading newspaper and working on your vocab, so ultimately you are taking care of your legal, because in legal section you have to read more.
yeah,
After then there is a fact and principle type of the question basically.
absolutely right.
What about other section?
For logical, I'm telling you, I was solving puzzles regularly because that was the portion jहाँ पे I was facing a lot of troubles. So I was doing that regularly, and apart from that, while I was preparing for CLAT and ALET, no, I got the time to prepare for verbal reasoning also. So
Okay,
वो वहीं से हो गई थी. For analytical, मैंने last 2, 3 months में मैंने ज़्यादा focus किया. Yeah.
okay, okay. This year the kind of a puzzle and the arrangement type of the question which came in the exam, it was bit difficult than the last year. So what was
Yeah.
your experience? Have you covered entire puzzle? I mean, did you solve all the questions?
I kept it for the last because I've always knew, and even after the mocks, I realized that, okay, the puzzles are going to be very tough and they are going to demand a lot of time.
Right.
So that's why I made sure that I'll do it at the last. And I think, and I didn't actually solve all the puzzles. Matlab, there are, I think, 3 or 4 puzzles. Just say I did 2. I knew I solved 2 of them properly. But
Mhm.
usme bhi ek do mein I had my doubts, but since there's no negative marking, I like, okay,
Damn.
Ram ji ki. Yeah,
Okay.
that
मतलब
is there. वैसे भी I remember मुझे वो इनपुट आउटपुट वाले क्वेश्चंस में बहुत इशू आता है, and that was there this year, तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे
okay,
हो गई
okay,
थी, but ठीक है.
okay, okay. So I think arrangement वाले questions overall there were 23 questions
Yeah.
excluding the input output. उसके I guess 4 to 5 questions थे.
हाँ.
So 120 minutes का time was sufficient to complete entire 150 questions या नहीं हो पाया?
Honestly, I think 120 minutes were enough. कोई बहुत मेजर मतलब मेनली पजल्स में ही जो टाइम लगता है बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई फील कि 120 minutes were enough for
Enough.
at least for the other sections. Yeah, I was getting around 40 minutes or something for logical reasoning at the end.
Okay. What was
So
your
yeah.
mock taking strategy? Which section you used to start first and which section, how you ramble through the section and which section the
Mhm.
last?
I always started with current affairs, no matter what, because it always gives you
ठीक है
a
section.
boost, and yeah, it gives you a boost. And you know, when you complete around 35 questions in the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so that gives you a sense of confidence, you know, आगे के लिए.
Okay.
So yeah, I always started with current affairs. Then I felt कि my English is it's not very मतलब it's not weak. मतलब तो थोड़ा सा मतलब स्ट्रेंथ ही है काइंड ऑफ. सो आई अब मैंने नेक्स्ट आई थिंक सेकंड में मैं हमेशा इंग्लिश करती थी, एंड आफ्टर दैट लीगल, बिकॉज वो थोड़ा लेंदी वाला रहता था, तो
Right.
लीगल करती थी. एंड आफ्टर दैट easy questions of logical reasoning and
Like
mathematics,
traditional
and
logic and all.
yeah, traditional logical questions. So, and after that mathematics, and then the puzzles of logical reasoning.
Okay. So you were switching from section to section and type of the question. मतलब logic में भी पहले
Depending on the
traditional.
type of questions. Yeah, and
Okay.
because even at times like in English there were tough RCs, so for that I knew that I have to leave time at the end.
Right.
तो
Right. Right.
ऐसे हो जाता था.
That is a good strategy. जो क्वेश्चन
Hmm.
सेक्शन वाइज भी जा रहे हो इजी है उसको पहले अटेम्प्ट कर लो. उस पर्टिकुलर
Yeah.
सेक्शन में इफ यू फाइंड कि ये पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन टाइप जिसमें टाइम लगने वाला है उसको स्किप कर दो. फॉर एग्जांपल इंग्लिश में आरसी टेक टाइम टू रीड.
हाँ.
इन लॉजिकल रीजनिंग पजल टेक टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड सॉल्व. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चन लास्ट में वी कैन
जो भी रिस्क क्रिएट कर सकते हैं मैं लास्ट में रखती थी, बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट एनी काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजन at the starting of my paper.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
great. And while you are writing real exam, what do you think? What was a mistake you have done which one should not do?
You should never ever be nervous while appearing paper, because matlab I've learned it from my experience ki being nervous actually makes you forget things. Okay,
Right.
and matlab I've
Very good
really messed
statement you
up
have made.
my
Yes.
I've really messed up one of my papers just because I was so nervous, and I felt like because I was just looking at the final outcome. I was just because I was looking at that, मैं पूरी बीच का जो path है, I messed that up. So whenever you enter the examination hall, you just have to make sure that you're calm and you have that mindset that you have nothing to lose.
Very good.
Yeah.
So all the aspirant, those who are preparing for the upcoming years, what tips and the suggestion you want to give them in terms of the preparation?
Okay, in terms of preparation, I would just say ki just like stay consistent. Especially for like current affairs, there are a lot of people who are like jumping from one source to other, right?
Oh, right,
And
right.
does not make sense. You just have to stick to one or like 2 sources maximum, and you just have to revise.
Right.
That's it for current affairs, because it's a complete sky, you know, कि आप current affairs पूरा नहीं cover कर सकते हो, तो it's better कि जितना आप कर रहे हो, you make sure उतना you're doing right.
Like GK is like a sea, so you never know कि
Yeah,
कितना travel करोगे आप,
कितना,
कितना swim
हाँ,
करोगे आप. तो
so
it's a very unknown kind of a thing. तो जितना हो सके maximum data go through करो. Along with you should have a proper notes also कि मैंने क्या क्या
yeah,
पढ़ा हुआ है कि
prepare
last month पे वो
notes.
revise करने
हाँ,
में help होगा, right?
be systematic, be
Is
systematic from day one, because that's something जो last में बहुत help करता है.
right, right.
Hmm.
What
So
else?
what else? I would say कि there's this fear in people for mathematics, जो कि मेरे अंदर भी था बहुत ज्यादा, लेकिन
Okay,
हाँ, but I would just say कि सही में बहुत basic पूछता है in the paper. Okay,
right,
you just have to stay confident and just revise the very basic concepts, and सिर्फ उसी पे they'll ask questions. So the preoccupied notion that you have that mathematics is gonna be difficult, you have to remove that from your mind.
okay.
So yeah,
And
that's there.
okay,
And for puzzles, of course, just set a timer and then solve puzzles. क्योंकि timing का problem सिर्फ puzzles में ही आता है in the
right, right.
examination. Yeah.
So you
So
need to
do
practice
that.
varieties of puzzle.
Yeah, and then work on vocabulary, because it's not something that's just gonna help you for the paper, but it's something that can help you for the rest of your life. You need a good vocabulary if you want to be a lawyer.
Correct. So entrance point of view से vocab prepare तो नहीं करना, वो तो help
हाँ,
करेगा entrance में, but in your professional life also it will help you.
yeah. And then I'd say never stop reading newspaper. Okay,
Right, right.
always just read one newspaper if you want, but just stick to that. Read newspapers every day, and
So
from
which
that
newspaper
only
you were
you
reading?
the Hindu, the Hindu.
Okay,
और
fine.
कभी कभी हुआ था इंडियन एक्सप्रेस पे, जस्ट बिकॉज हो जाता था कि कुछ आर्टिकल्स अच्छे आ गए, सो आई वेंट थ्रू इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, एल्स द हिंदू, इट वाज, या, एंड उसी से ही फ्रॉम देयर ओनली यू कैन गेट अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स फॉर योर vocabulary notebook.
Correct.
Yeah,
So and for the RC you were used to solve RC in a day or just reading
yeah,
part
like
where
4 or 5 RCs a day, because I was preparing for CLAT and AILET also, and RCs play a major role in CLAT. So I was doing
right,
RCs regularly. Yeah, from CAT, from the books of CAT or CLAT, or just read every day. Use a source of like, uh, I think Indian Express का या किसका ही एक रहता है, तो मतलब just read every day. कोई भी articles जो भी आए.
now one question which everyone asks from me, I want to ask from you, what is the right time to start law entrance preparation? So
That I
that's why
think, हाँ,
yeah,
11th में रहो तो फिर मतलब बहुत अच्छा है कि if you have started preparing from class 11th, तो make sure कि 11th में seriously time दे दे, so that 12th easily निकल जाए, problem ना
12th
हो.
में भी अच्छे से हो जाएगा और लाइट प्रिपरेशन आप लॉ एंट्रेंस
हाँ.
की भी कर सकते हो. So that is the
हम्म.
preferred time for to start your preparation for in law entrance. So guys, that's it from the Tanushri, and she guided you in terms of the her preparation strategy and explained you how she gone through her preparation, what are the things she had done during the preparation, during the mock test, real exam, preparation wise, puzzle, all the area. Thank you, Tanushri. All the best for
You're
your career.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.